Uh, I'm speaking to Mr. Sridhar Pissai, who's the VP Sales and Marketing, Industrial Metrology Division. So, sir, I wanted to understand from you what are the products you've displayed at IMTEX, what are the benefits of these products for the Indian market, and you could shed some light on the technology trends that we see nowadays in the industry.
Okay, my name is Sridhar.
Sir, I will.
Yeah, see, Carl Zeiss is a very old company. It's a 116-year-old company, mainly into optics and optical measurements. But we have extended these optical measurements into industrial measurements and in metrology. Today, Carl Zeiss is very well known in Indian measuring systems. It so happens that almost every car industry, at some point in time, they need a Carl Zeiss equipment to measure them. So and they rely on these measurements, because when it is measured on Carl Zeiss, they believe that these results are really true.
Right.
So they just don't doubt the results. So that being the past experience of the customers, we are here since 2002 really, but before that it was all being dealt by dealers. So it happens that we have moved on from selling almost 6 machines a year to 130 machines a year now, and we have introduced a number of other new products, and the latest in technology is X-ray based systems. X-ray based systems are basically used for checking parts inside without opening the parts, and this is the new technology which is going to really catch up. Although we have not yet sold it yet in India, but it's catching up very fast in the other world. So I'm sure in India it will come in this year itself. We are expecting 3 orders this year. So that is the latest in technology. Here in this particular booth, we always take part, and we find this is one place where we get almost all our customers coming in one place. We don't have to go to them, but they come here. So it's a very good opportunity for us to show all our products, their benefits, then their advantages to the industry. We are very easily accepted in the industry because everybody knows us by name. They say, oh, buy a Zeiss machine. As simple as that. The trademark has become the product promotion by itself. You can see in this place, for example, we have got all the contact measuring machines as well as non-contact measuring using the metrology world. Apart from that, we have roundness testers, roughness testers, cylindricity testers, contour testers. These are all used in the mechanical measurements of the parts. We do not deal with like say stresses or in chemical compositions. We are not into that field, but we are more in the dimensional measuring. So all that we see here, all different types of instruments used only in the dimensional measurements. Well, I think that's about Carl Zeiss.
So, sir, I'll ask you one more question. Like, I just wanted to understand from you, in terms of IMTEX, what are the response you've received? What are your customers talking to you?
Yeah.
What is the overall growth in terms of IMTEX? What are the discussions going on with your customers? Do you see positive inquiries and moving forward?
Yeah. Every year we see very good response in the IMTEX, but this year there seems to be a kind of a feel-good factor again coming back to India. And a number of new inquiries are being generated here. We find definitely India is moving ahead. With this confidence, in fact, we have ourselves started a manufacturing unit to go in line with the Make in India concept of Modi. In fact, this machine, what you see here, is a 100% international machine, which is made in India, and for the very first time we are even exporting. We are exporting out of India. And so I am very proud supporting our Modi very well that we not only make in India, but we started exporting. So the quality is maintained, the same quality all over the world, and it has been very easily accepted by Germany or Switzerland or Singapore and all, and we have started exporting machines. So that's Zeiss. Zeiss, wherever it is made, whether it's made in China, USA, India or Germany, the quality is the same, the product reliability is the same, and the results that you can trust.
Thank you, sir.
Is that okay?
Yeah.